with tunnels, giant slides, and a huge ball pit. There's a lot to love about Kids Galaxy in Edmond.
Awesome place. Our playground is the biggest that we're aware of in Oklahoma.
The 18,000 square foot indoor play facility is a favorite for kids and their parents. It looks so fun, I had to try it out with my own little one, and it did not disappoint.
Oh! You okay? You got it! Okay.
With all the climbing, swinging, and sliding, the main play area can keep kids entertained for hours.
Oh yes, it's so hard to make them leave when it's time to go. They could stay here for hours and not get bored.
And if your kiddo isn't quite big enough for the main area, Kids Galaxy has their own separate toddler area just for the little ones.
The Toddler Zone is for kids 1 to 5, with its own soft playground and a ball pit.
He's only 2, and it's hard to find places that are good for him with, away from all the bigger kids.
When kids work up an appetite from all the exploring, Kids Galaxy has you covered with their food court.
We have amazing pizza. We do chicken wings. We do boneless wings. We have French fries, many options. We also have a gluten-free pizza for the moms that need it, or the kids that need it. So yeah, people love our food.
On the weekends, you're likely to run into a familiar face.
Last week we had Wonder Woman and Iron Man, and we've had like Paw Patrol, PJ Masks, Mickey and Minnie.
But the fun isn't just for the little ones. The Parents Lounge is a great place to relax in a massage chair while the kids play.
Yes, the massage chairs are really nice. I've tried one, it's great. It's also nice if you want to sit down and let your kids play while you can relax, work on your computer. It's nice to be able to do that as well.
At Kids Galaxy, keeping kids entertained is easy, but getting them to leave may not be.
They're going to fight you when you try to take them out of here, is what's going to happen. They just love it, and they just scream and yell, they want to stay.
In Edmond, Tiffany Tatro, Discover Oklahoma.